Studying hard for her upcoming exams. Tsava is 2 years into an engineering apprentice scheme here in Germany. Trainees here learn everything from advanced robotics programming to 3D printing and modelling. Like many of her colleagues, Tsava's convinced that when her training's finished, her future lies in working with smart digital technology.
Every day we work with computers and we use a lot of programs in it. It is very important because, like when you see 10 years ago, the smartphone, we didn't have any. We had like Nokia phone. And now when you see we have smartphones, we can touch them and we can do everything with that. And I'm pretty sure that next years it will change a lot.
Tsava is just one of around 800 apprentices at this dedicated ABB facility in Berlin. When it was founded 65 years ago, the focus was on traditional techniques of welding and metalwork, but those have now been eclipsed by state-of-the-art digital and automation technology.
The industry is changing and the skills have to also change. World-class products and world-class technologies needs world-class experts. And we train them here.
At a time when the digital revolution is changing factories and offices, technology firms are finding that it's never been more important to ensure a skilled workforce is ready for the challenge. That's good for workers facing up to a new kind of labour market. And as the fourth industrial revolution gets underway, it's also good for business.
Training has always been absolutely key. It's not the first industrial revolution, and training has accompanied our colleagues over the decades, actually over the 125 years ABB has existed. So I guess we're not only focusing on our business, but we also have a role macroeconomically, macro-socially.
The skills learned in centres like these are crucial to the kind of next-generation R&D work that ABB is bringing to market both in Europe and in the developing world. Like ABB's Smart Sensor, for instance, which allows remote monitoring of industrial motors, or Internet of Things interface software, both projects developed recently by researchers in India. Translating cutting-edge training into cutting-edge research is just one way of showing how the digital revolution can best be harnessed by fostering a workforce that's been empowered to take full advantage of the changing opportunities.